Tonight we're having ramen for dinner with a side of dumplings. I'm going to start off with making the dumplings because it is a bit time consuming, and then my husband will sort out the ramen later. This is the brand of soy sauce that I usually use, but I don't have it in light, so I'm gonna use this instead, but I will definitely recommend this brand. These are the dumpling wrappers that I'm using. I usually make it myself, but today I'm going to just do it this way. This is the wrapper. I'm trying it for the first time. The first one will always be ugly. I managed to make 42 dumplings, and what I'm going to do now is boil them for about 6 to 8 minutes. The dumplings are done. These I'm going to freeze once they've cooled down. And then these ones we're gonna have tonight. I'm going to pan fry them afterwards. Dumplings look so good. I'm going to make a little dipping sauce as well. Light soy sauce. Some spring onions. And sesame seeds. We're adding 4 of these. There isn't enough broth left, so we're going to add some more water. Everything is finally done. We've got our dumplings with the dipping sauce, our noodles, the chicken, and the egg, mushrooms, and the garnish. I'm going to dish it up and then show you the finished result. It's looking so good. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a lovely Ramadan.